A director goes into a rehearsal room with a sense of where that rehearsal will go. Younite Virtual Stage offers the opportunity to explore ideas before going into the rehearsal room.
Virtual Stage is fully functional digital twin of our main stage and auditorium.
You can simulate in a photorealistic model, whether by screen or VR classes. You can be on a real stage and feel the space.
It's like a living dollhouse that you can play with. So it's a very good tool for testing different options.
We can really see how artistically the concept works or not.
At a much earlier stage, production is coming out of the head and into a reality.
This is a theatrical tool that works fantastic. It saves resources, it helps improve creativity, it gives wonderful results in the end. Honestly, it's a fabulous tool. Honestly, I'm in love with it.